Hello, my speaking three presentation. My name is Gerson Vasquez Malimba. At the moment, I am studying. These days, I am playing on my free time. I am not working. I am eating breakfast right now. I am going to speak about my skills and abilities. I can cook very well. I can run fast. I can I can speak in English fluently honestly. These are my future plans. Next year I am going to visit Lima and Bolivia. Next month I am going to finish my study in a Senati. Next weekend I am going to celebrate with my friends. I am that's all. Thank you.